What is up, everybody? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and we're back again with our weekly Watchers Watch List. Let's get it, guys. So this week is a great one to watch because it's going to be volatile. With the CPI numbers coming up on Wednesday, the market should get some volatility. Now, if the CPI numbers go down, we should not raise interest rates anymore, and that should cause the market to get a nice spike. On the other hand, if it goes up, we probably are going to keep raising interest rates, and that will make the market go down. So this week, keep that in mind as we go over this weekly Watchers Watch List. I'm going to bring you into the Watch List tab, and that's where we're going to find our weekly watchers. You'll always find it with the guy with the binoculars in the Stock Snipers app. So when you open it up, we're going to start off with OTC stocks, and then we'll dive into listed stocks. In the middle, we'll have some cannabis stocks to talk about because cannabis sector has been on fire lately, literally on fire, and amazing to see. Tons of opportunity there. Had some over the weekend bags as well as a lot of bags last week, so tons of cannabis bags with the snipers. Congratulations to everyone out there tagging some bags. But let's get on to the watch list. Starting off with an AI stock, because AI has actually been dipping for a while now. AI, the sector leader, has been dropping for about a full month, and it looks like it needs a bounce sometime soon. So VRSSF, we are looking for that first green day bounce in an OTC penny stock, looking for it to get above $1 and possibly take advantage of that. Oil is also reaching all-time highs. So with oil reaching all-time highs, we decided to put an oil-related OTC stock, ZNOG. Now this one always has light volume, so you got to make sure the volume is there if you want to play it, but tons of opportunity if it's able to bounce off of 0.5. The next one is an OTC EV-related stock that spiked really nicely last week from 0.13 to 0.22, and now we're looking for it to consolidate for a little bit above that 0.16 spot, and then come back above 0.18 and then towards 0.22 again. ENZC, this is another OTC former runner that created multiple stagnant days. It's come down to 0.4 now, but 0.5 is a key spot. We need to see volume in it, but if it gets volume, gets above 0.5, we think we could see a run. Last week we had GTBIF, that was a lighter volume on the watch list, and it spiked 20% plus after the move. So this is another one of those plays we're looking for. Now let's talk about the cannabis stocks. The cannabis stock has made a move in the last week and a half here. We've had Canopy Growth, CGC, spiking all the way from 40 cents to $1.80. So an amazing run there, over 300% of a run for Canopy Growth in 2 weeks. Great to see the run that it's had after multiple downward days. It's also because they got news, cannabis in general got news that it could be lowered from a Schedule 1 drug, the same as heroin, acid, cocaine, down to a Schedule 3 drug, and that would be a big deal for the cannabis industry. We're looking at all these cannabis stocks, OTC stocks, as well as listed stocks to make a move in the upcoming week if cannabis continues to run. The next one we'll dive into is listed stocks, and that's going to be FFIE to start it off. This is a reverse split that's making new 52-week lows. Never want to catch a falling knife, but when it does double bottom, 360 is a nice spot to look for. We'll look for that first green day. MULN is an EV-related stock. Another one that's kind of getting down to 52-week lows, but it bounced right at that area last week. Maybe we can get a double bottom at 39 cents and a first green day. ATAI is another one coming down to long-term support. Long-term support is 140. It bounced off that spot on Friday last week, but couldn't really do anything. Now we're looking for ATAI to make another move. It's actually a psychedelic stock. Getting trippy with ATAI, shrooms, acid, that kind of stuff. So we do have stocks that are related to that sector. AMC, sorry for all the bag holders out there. Very sad story, but the reverse split has just caused this thing to skyrocket down, going all the way down to 710. So 710 is the 52-week lows. We're not saying to catch a falling knife like before, but looking for the first green day there. NKLA is a stock we recently made a bag off of. This is an EV-related car company. NKLA is looking ugly the past couple of days, dropping from 140 all the way below $1. We're looking for it to come down to 70 cents. That would be a key long-term support level for it to bounce off of. The next two stocks are stocks that are getting close to bankrupt stocks, so just looking for a short squeeze because we know a lot of people are shorting it. Rite Aid is the first one, RAD. They got in trouble with their opioid use, selling too much opioids, and now they're going to have to go bankrupt. They have 52-week low is 6518 after 6 straight red days. Looking for the first green day in Rite Aid. WeWork, WE, another one of those reverse split moves like FFIE, making new 52-week lows. Looking for WeWork to create a first green day. It's gone down way too much for it not to. So possibly we'll get that in this upcoming week. And last but certainly not least, like we talked about in the OTC stocks, oil-related stocks are still hanging out, but they should be making a move because oil is all the way up to all-time highs. So 2 oil-related stocks or 3 oil-related stocks we're looking for: CEI, INDO, and HUSA. There it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed the weekly watchers. That's a great list of stocks to take advantage of, especially those cannabis stocks. Definitely keep an eye on them. But don't forget, we got the CPI numbers on Wednesday, so be aware of that. Usually gets a little risky to be holding into that. We're going to get nice volatility Wednesday morning, so be on the lookout for that. Much love to all the snipers out there. Much love to everyone else. Hopefully you guys can tag one of these bags. Check us out on the App Store or Google Play under Stock Snipers, and let's go get these bags, guys. Much love, snipers. We'll see you back here next time. Peace.